Hey, hi guys, so it's been a while, I know, but I've been a bit lazy and I promised to upload film the Q&A video soon. It's just that I got some packages today, so I thought I would do them first because it takes some time to arrange the whole Q&A vlog. So yeah, but I got this lovely package today and I'm really excited. This is from Cable Mart and they took quite a while to actually ship the things out, but yeah. So I'm going to open this for you first and then we'll see what I actually got. Ta-da! So, let me just take off the bubble wrap as well. Yes! Woohoo! So I got both of the group standees. Oh, they're so nice and they're pretty big as well. And I'm really relieved that they shipped it in a cardboard box because I was a bit afraid they would ship it in just a bubble mailer. So I'm just going to take these out. This is actually a post-it standee, so just like this, exo-k, and then you can pop them out. Carefully, I will do this later. It comes with these two double sticky. I mean, they're sticky on both sides, so you can attach these post-it notes or pads. I mean, to the bottom, and they're pretty plain like this. So yeah, that was exo-k, and the exo-m one is slightly different, obviously. So we have exo-m. So cute, look at the little hand. Yeah, and the bottom part is green compared to exo-k, which is yellow. And the post-it pads are the same. So yeah, that was pretty quick unboxing just because it's one package. I actually got two other ones, but I will save it for another video. I have my reason for it, so, and I will make the Q&A video soon. But yeah, I got a lot of questions, so I'm really thankful that. So I will try my best to answer your questions, and yeah, if you're interested in these standees, I will put the links down below in the video, down below in the description box. So please check it out. I don't have anything more to say. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.